Well, hey folks, FGFRC going to take up the E-FLITE 90mm E-FLITE VIPER. Going to do a speed run here early morning here at Avon Park. Got the KM Models afterburner in there. My rates that I'm going to fly in right now are 100% throws, 30% expo, all the way around. All right, let's see. Okay, I think I only got one rate on this thing. Got just the one rate. All right.
Landing flaps. Takeoff.
Let's make sure everything's working right. Haven't flown this in a little while. So, all right. Let me get down here by Camera Precious. Oh, yeah, let me make sure that the GPS is going. Yep, it's reading. Make sure it's started. Yeah, it's going. Okay. We'll get polished here. This is the first fly of the day, first take up of the day, first everything of the day. We'll get turned around here. Timer is going to be set for 4 minutes once I get down here the other end. All right. 4 minutes. Okay, going to do is takeoff flaps.
Gear up, flaps up.
Oh, that's pretty. Now I'm running a 5000 6S Spectrum Smart Pack. I'll take it up, flip it. Well, that's a pretty plane.
Gear down. Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes. Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
That was nice and slow she'll fly. Boy, today I am an absolute bundle of nerves.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Braking. Brakes.
Oh.
Flaps up.
All right, we're going to take off one more time. Not going to take off from down there though. We're just going to. Check my speed real quick before we take off again. I found with this GNS performance analyzer, it's better if you got the plane right next to you. Read. 113 mile an hour, 113. All right, so we'll start again. All right. Yeah. All right, that's recording. All right, I think I'm going to just stay right here.
takeoff flaps.
Do our takeoff flaps. And here we go.
Flaps up. Gear up.
I'll take it up. Flip it. Sorry, I'm right over us.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Boy, I'm used to flying this plane in a lot of wind,
Time remaining 1 minute.
and I have forgotten just how fast she can be.
Braking. Brakes off. Takeoff flaps.
All right, hit stop. Read. 105 that time. 105. So what was it, 112 and 105? 113, 105. All right, let's take a look at our fancy technology here. How much is left in the battery? Now I'm down to just under a third, so I better call that quits right there. All right, with that, one beautiful, beautiful plane. I love that afterburner. Love that KM Models afterburner. Let me
Prop secured.
show you something interesting about how I've hooked the afterburner up. A lot of people are having problems with the putting with the smart ESCs, because this is a bind and fly E-FLITE VIPER. And what I did was, I've got the throttle plugged into the bind port, and the KM model afterburner plugged into the throttle port. It works. Don't know why, but it works. But that is one beautiful, beautiful plane. Now she's got some dents and dings here and there. I'm on the third nose cone, but great flying plane. I actually kind of wish I had a little more wind. If I had about a 5 or 8 mile an hour wind to fly into, I could stop her a lot sooner on this runway, but not bad for a 90. Not bad at all. I mean, this sucker is beautiful and it flies great. All right, folks, y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I had a third of the battery left, so basically what, 23%, 28%, somewhere around there. Y'all have a good one. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then jets. Bye-bye.